Alright, travel friends, welcome back at the Chatuchak Pet Market. I came here to explore the controversial side of this market, but apparently it is not accessible. I don't know the reason, I don't know if it's temporary or permanent, but I don't think we're gonna see any cheetahs or monkeys today. So this may be a little bit of a boring video for some of you guys, but if you're curious about how the dogs, cats, birds and maybe some reptiles are doing, follow me on this journey. So far they look pretty healthy to me, but you never know what's going on inside. Looks like we have an outsider here. Look at this guy. A bit shy, I guess. Guys, is this a sugar glider? So cute. And look at the others crawled up together. Check this out. There must be like 100 of them. This is not the best start of this area, which is supposed to be the least controversial part of this market. Look at all these birds. Some are huge in tiny cages. I hope the dogs and cats are doing better. Look at that beautiful husky, enjoying his beauty privileges, while the other ones are in tiny cages. Let's see how the cats are doing. They look quite playful to me. What do you guys think? I think that's a good sign. And we found some more cuteness. Thinking about his life ahead of him. I hope at least all these dogs get a nice owner. That's all I can wish for. Looks like they're selling some accessories over here. We've got a cat waiting for the door to get open. Look at this one. Is that fair, or are they supposed to look like this? I think they're waiting for the door to get open. And this one looks like a dog for a rich guy or girl. I really don't like these cages, guys. Look at this guy. He's huge. I've never seen a dog so big. We got some more in cages again. I mean, I was put in a box too as a baby, but I think these open cages already look better. I don't understand why some are in cages and why some are playing. Do they get some free time in turn, or? One thing is for sure, and they all look like they want to get out as soon as possible. And look what we have found. Our first snake. This looks like some kind of reptile shop. You can think about snakes whatever you like, but I think their patterns and colors are amazing. That's all this area has to offer today, guys. Mostly cats, dogs. We saw some birds, rodents, snakes. Overall a clean place. But I do worry about the small spaces they were staying in. Some animals look grumpy, but most of them looked quite playful, so I think that's good. I go check out the art in the mall and the plant zone, but I will definitely come back. Ciao, ciao!